do a little meditation right now where you can begin to connect with your body and to begin to recognize that your body's trying to tell you something, that there are emotions stored here in your body, there are cell memories stored here in the body, and that you can learn to start befriending your body, listening to yourself, listening, being willing to feel what's inside, instead of just pushing it away. Because most of us, we feel an emotion, what do? Smoke it away, drink it away, get on Facebook, surf the web, call a friend, get on Netflix. And it's like almost anything but feel that so-called bad emotion. And for every time we deny it, we push it away, we pretend it's not happening, or we reframe it into something positive when it's not actually been met yet, that's when the biochemistry is being released and it's getting stored in our cells. So all of us are getting an invitation from life to get real, to come home to the truth inside ourselves, to clear whatever's blocking us or holding us back or shutting us down, and to go on our own healing journeys. And I feel with all of our spiritual and our physical and emotional healing journeys, no one can tell you how to heal. But part of your healing journey is you uncover your own truth. You find your own answers. You discover what your own soul is trying to teach you through these life lessons. And you learn what it is you're here to learn in this lifetime, karmically, spiritually, emotionally, mentally. And no one can do that work for you. And so though I can give you journey work to do and a context and a method and how to work with it, ultimately it's work that you have to do with yourself. And yet when the healing happens, it's not something anyone could take from you, because it was something you discovered, not through a theory or some scientific book or some pretty spiritual thoughts and positive thinking, but as a direct living experience of your own truth, of finding your own answers and coming home to a sense of peace inside yourself.